Hey, so I thought I'd just do a quick little haul of what we got. Now, I went off to an estate sale. I just looked up estate sales near me, put in my zip code. I had a radius of like 15, 20 miles. That was it. And actually, I think my radius is only, I don't know, it's not very big. So I went to the estate sale, and this is what I found. I feel like there should be a song for that. I got these baskets. Now, what I like to do on my estate sales is they usually show a lot of pictures on it. I want to make sure that there is some things I like. Maybe I like the style of the person. This person was an artist, and wow, there was a lot of things I wanted at this estate sale. But I have a very tiny, tiny budget. But this basket, I went at the very end of it, the last hour of a 3-day estate sale. So of course everything's already half off, but this one wasn't tagged. So when I asked the guy how much he was willing to take for it, it did have its little beads on both sides, but in transit, when we put it in my sister's car, we lost the bead. But otherwise, I got this and this. This one nestles in it, but it also looks lovely on top of it. And these are going to be now my new holding of craft containers. Now, if you've seen my video before on baskets, do one of those things. It gives you an idea of how to clean baskets. Yes, you can hose them down with water, hot water at that, and then put them out in the sun. We're about to have a storm. There's no sun. Oh, I guess I could just leave them in the rain. No, that would be a bad idea. But I am going to have to bend the metal on this a little bit better, because even if I heat the weave will tighten, but it won't straighten out the metal. So I'm going to do that to fix them up. But both of these, and see, this one has both of its little things. Aren't they cute? I'm sorry, but I love packaging, and I have become a huge basket fan. So I got both of these guys for $8, so $4 each. Not a bad deal, and it's going to be great for storing, like I said, all the supplies I use for my crafts. And I know if you're thinking, wait a minute, didn't we watch a video where you did that? Yeah, I just have much more stuff to store and no basement. Okay, then another thing we got at this was the estate sale. I needed a little plate to put like the salt, the pepper, and the oil that sits by the stove that usually makes a big mess. It's nice to have a little plate to put it on. And as it happens, my daughter is learning Chinese, so my sister, her aunt, got this as a gift for her, and it was, I think, $3.50 maybe. So another good deal there. But that's not all. On the way home from this estate sale, check out what else we found. We also picked up some plant stands. Now, this one is pretty generic, but it is a lot like the ones my sister gave me that she gave my husband, because let's face it, he's a green thumb. All these plants are his. If it were up for me, they'd just be dead. But these are just really super sturdy and great. And now this one is black. She painted the rest of them for us to match our favorite colors. I say our, I mean me. But yeah, the blue. So I'm probably going to spray paint this. Yes, blue. Then we also got this plant stand, which, don't you just love the crown effect on it? I think that's great. And the bottom is cute. It's just really, really nice. I think I'm going to give that one a copper paint, maybe silver. Nah, it'll probably be copper because I love copper. One more to show you. Dun, 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 dun. This one, yay! It has a pretty glass top, and it's got little great beads, which you know I love those. Actually, if you saw my video on the wine rack toilet paper holder, you get how much I love them. These, though, are not glass, and they're all welded together, so I shouldn't be breaking any up. That's great. What is also great? Guess how much it cost? All three of these. I got them for nothing, for free. Really. They were curb fine. We left the estate sale. We were on the way home. We were in our neighborhood, and I was just like, told my sister out of nowhere, stop! And she knew right away, oh, you must have spotted something. Sure enough, here they are. Now, I will say this, there was a fourth plant stand, and it was really cute, like this crown one, but it was larger and kind of cool looking, except for its bottom. And this is my tip if you're thinking about doing something. It was, not only was it rusted, but it was also out of shape. And that's usually an indication that it's going to be weaker in that area and less stable and probably cause you more headache than it's worth in the long run. Sadly, it was put out on the curb a little too late for me to do too much to it. But these three, not going in a landfill. These three are going to get a new life. And well, these plants still have plenty more to get on there. So yay! Hope this inspired you to check out an estate sale or just, your own neighborhood for curb finds, because there's some really great things out there. You can end up saving something from going into a landfill and get yourself something really cool at the same time. Sorry this is such a short video and it was just such a, like boom, boom, boom kind of thing, but we had one of these moments. Took my eldest off to school. So it's been a pretty busy week and a very sad week at the same time. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And check it out, I got all three of these beauties. Ooh, I get to act like I'm a Price is Right woman. This is too dark. I'm not gonna use this video at all. Big fan of the grapes, I don't know. This is another bad video. Ugh.